Click.
All right, we're here doing a live igniter fire test, the first time with the Avionics Bay after the rebuild with last crash, changing the batteries from 9 volt to lithium ion and using new MOSFET control for turning on power. And my boy behind monitoring drinking a beer so he can put his daddy out if his daddy catches himself on fire.
Always recycle.
Always recycle. But don't recycle, never mind. Let's just keep it public. All right, first thing I'm going to do is power on the computer. And I hear that going just fine. I'm going to put on the louder one since I'm standing farther from the camera. Again, going through the beeps. First one, that says it's staged, so it's going to ignite this igniter right here half a second after I stop spinning. And then the other 3 beeps there are going through the pyro channels. And we're going to add pyro computers. That warble says the pyro power is not on yet. Now it's no longer warbling. Pyro power is on. Once more through the igniters. The middle one here is the staging igniter. That one should go off a half a second after I stop spinning. Then, inverting, the drogue igniters, these 2 long ones, hopefully I don't burn myself with those 2, should go off immediately after inversion. 1/16 of a second later, the main should go off because there's no altitude on it, and it should start beeping out a long, steady tone for no altitude. All right, so let's switch fingers. Ready to start the spin test. Here we go in 3, 2, 1. So, that went off in air. And now, there's the altitude birthing, and 1 did not go. This one is the only one that did not go. And check the other computer, see what it recorded. It's beeping out 56 feet. I spun it very hard. This computer is beeping out 0. Good.